Hi, my name is Joshua Fuller, and today I will be showing you how to do the 2009 Problem 1 AP problem. So let's just read this before we get into it. 1. We see a picture of a graph, and the description below says, Karen rides her bicycle along a straight road from home to school, starting at home at time t equals 0 minutes, and arriving at school at t equals 12 minutes. During the time interval 0 is less than t, which is less than 12 minutes, her velocity, vt, in miles per minute is modeled by the piecewise linear function whose graph is shown above. A. Find the acceleration of Karen's bicycle at time t equals 7.5 minutes, include units of measure. B. Using correct units, explain the meaning of the integral of 0 to 12 of the absolute value of vt dt in terms of Karen's trip. Find the value of the integral of 0 to 12, the absolute value of vt dt. Shortly after leaving home, Karen realizes she left her calculus homework at home, and she returns to get it. At what time does she turn around to go back home? Give a reason for your answer. Larry also rides his bicycle along a straight road from home to school in 12 minutes. His velocity is modeled by the function w given by wt equals pi over 15 sine of pi over 12t, where wt is in miles per minute, for 0 is less than t, which is less than 12 minutes. Who lives closer to school, Karen or Larry? Show the work that leads to your answer. Okay, let's begin with A. Find the acceleration of Karen's bicycle at time t equals 7.5 minutes. Indicate units of measure. So, 7.5 minutes is right here. Now obviously it's not marked, so we have to figure it out. Now if you remember, acceleration is the difference in velocities. It's the derivative of velocity. So we're trying to find out how much it's changing at that point. So how do we do this? Very simple. We find the value at 7, the value at 8, subtract them together, and then divide them by the distance. So the value at 7 is 0.3, the value at 8 is 0.2. We do 7 minus 8. If you reduce that, you get 0.1 over negative 1, or if we simplify that, we get negative 0.1. Now, what is that? What does that mean? What are the units of measure?